method has a lot of, or a number of benefits to it. The first is that you can use it for a very small part of a scripture, and you'll be able to focus on that aspect and get something meaningful from it. And it also means that you can do it for as little as 10 minutes, or if the section of the scripture that you're looking at is much bigger, or maybe you have a lot more verses there, then you can extend it and do it for up to 30 minutes. So it's really a good method if you don't have, for people that maybe don't have time, or if you're somebody that you want to make sure that you get something out of the scripture in the little time that you've got. And the S.O.A.P method offers that versatility because of the way it is structured. I also like this method of Bible study, because it's very beginner friendly. So if you're somebody that is new to studying the scripture, you can easily do this, and it would not be, that feeling of being overwhelmed. It's likely not going to be there, and that would gradually ease you into studying the scriptures, whether you want to study a verse or you gradually want to move on to aspects or maybe a theme in the scriptures. So if you have used the study or the S.O.A.P method before, though, can you type it in the comment for me and let me know that how you have found it, and maybe any other comments you want to make about the S.O.A.P method.